Find the radius of curvature for the folium of Descartes. X cube plus y cube equal to 3a into x into y at the point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2 on it. So here we have the Cartesian form of the function x cube plus y cube equal to 3a xy. So here we differentiate with respect to x. So if we differentiate with respect to x cube we can write it as 3x square plus y cube we can write it as 3y square. Then we must differentiate y can be written as dy by dx equal to 3a into here x plus x into y is there. We must apply the product rule. So x into y differentiation is dy by dx plus y into x differentiation is 1. So here we can divide 3 so that, so here if we divide by 3 we get x square plus y square into y1 equal to, here a is multiplied inside, a x into y1 plus a into y. So here y1 is there, so we take y1 common in the left hand side. If we take, we get y square in the left hand side, and this term if we bring it to right left hand side become minus ax equal to ay minus x square. So here y1 we can write it as ay minus x square dividing by y square minus ax. Here we can take minus common and we can write so that we get the same power ay minus x square. If I take minus in the denominator we get ax minus y square. So here why this one is written, why, because if we substitute x equal to 3a by 2, y equal to 3a by 2, y1 become, here we get the same term in the numerator as well as denominator. So we get a into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 whole square dividing by a into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 whole square. 1 minus is there. So here we can cancel this whole term. We get minus 1. So here y1 is minus 1. So we write it this as equation number 1. And here we keep this one as it is. This is nothing but a. We must differentiate this one with respect to x. So here differentiate y1 with respect to x. So here we must apply the numerator also variable and denominator also we have the variable. We apply the quotient rule. So here if we apply the quotient rule we get minus ax minus whole square the whole square, and the numerator we get ax minus y square. First we write the denominator, then differentiate a into y. So y is nothing but y1 minus x square is nothing but 2x, minus is in the formula a y minus x square, numerator we write it as it is. If we differentiate the denominator we get a minus 2y into y1. So I am finding the value of this one separately. Ax minus y square equal to a into 3a by 2 x's and y is 3a by 2 whole square. So here if we expand this one we get 3a square by 2 minus 9a power 4 by 4. So if we take the LCM we get 6a square minus 9a power 4 dividing by 4 we get minus 3a square by 4. So this is square, this one is square, minus 3a square by 4. And here we have this format is also in the form of same a into y minus x square. It is nothing but a into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 whole square. So here we can see that we are having the same form. So we get the same answer, 3a square dividing by 4. Now we substitute this one in y2. So we substitute carefully. See here y2 equal to, this one is nothing but minus 3a square dividing by 4 into a into y1 is nothing but minus 1 minus 2 times 3a dividing by 2. So we close the bracket, minus, so 3ay minus x square is nothing but minus 3a square dividing by 4 into a minus 2 into a is 3a dividing by 2 into y is minus 1 dividing by, so we have the values, denominator also ax minus y whole square, square into whole square is there, so minus, so this answer is nothing but minus 3a square by 4 minus 3a square dividing by 4 whole square. So here we simplify the values. So if we simplify this one, see here, these two get cancelled, we get minus 3a, here minus a, so we get plus 4a. So here, sorry, minus 4a into minus is plus 4a, so 3a square dividing by 4 into 4a minus, so here if we simplify, minus into minus is plus, 2 to get cancelled, 3a plus a is 4a, 4a, here if we multiply this one we get plus 3a square dividing by 4 into 4a. So here denominator we get minus, if we square this one we get 9a power 4 dividing by 16. So now if we add the numerator, so this is nothing but 2 times, so here we can cancel 4, we get 2 times 3a power 3 dividing by minus 9a power 4 into 16. If we reciprocal this one, we get 16. Here we can cancel this 3, we get 3 times. So here if we multiply this one, we get minus 32 dividing by 3. Here a power 3, here a power 4 is there. So if we simplify this one, we get a in the denominator. Sorry. So here this one is nothing but y2, and here we know that radius of curvature is 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 dividing by y2, and here 1 is nothing but 1 plus y1 is nothing but minus 1 square power 3 by 2 dividing by y2 is nothing but minus 32 dividing by 3a. So here we simplify the numerator, we get 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So here 2 power 3 by 2, we can write it as 2 into root 2 dividing by minus 32. If we reciprocal this one, we can write it as 3a. So here we simplify this one, we get 16 times. So 3 root 2 into a dividing by minus 16 is the radius of curvature. If you want, we can simplify further, or we can stop it here. 3 into root 2 into a dividing by 16. This is nothing but radius of curvature for the folium of D chords. Find the radius of curvature of the curve. Root x plus root y equal to 4 at the point where it cuts the x-axis. Line passing through the origin making an angle 45 degree. So here line passing through the origin is nothing but this is nothing but the line passing through the origin, but here making an angle 45 degree. So this one is 45 degree. So that means we get the line as y equal to x. So here y is equal to x for the given equation according to the condition as angle 45 degree. So here we substitute this y equal to x in the given curve. So here root x plus y is nothing but x equal to 4. We get 2 times root x is equal to 4. We can cancel 2 and we get x is nothing but 2 square. We get x is equal to 4. So here y equal to x is there, then x is 4, y also 4. So this point should be remembered. Now we differentiate root x plus root y equal to 4. So here root x we can write it as 1 by 2 times root x plus root y is nothing but 1 by 2 times root y into y differentiation is y1 equal to 4 differentiation is 0. Now we modify this one. So here first we bring 1 by 2 root x to the right hand side. So y1 dividing by 2 times root y can be written as minus 1 by 2 times root x. 2 get cancelled. Y1 we can write it as minus root y by root x. So here y1, when x is 4, y is 4, we have the values of x and y. If we substitute here, we get minus 1. So let us consider this as equation number 2, and this one is nothing but 1a. So here we must differentiate 1a with respect to x. So here y1 become y2. So here we must apply the quotient rule, minus dividing by root x square is nothing but x. Now first we write the denominator root x, then differentiation of this root y is nothing but 1 dividing by 2 times root y into y1 minus the formula. Now we write the root y as it is, differentiate the denominator root x. So root x is nothing but 1 by 2 times root x. We have y2, x is 4, y is 4, and here we have the value y1 is minus 1. So this value we substitute here, minus is common. So here root x is 4 dividing by 2 times y also 4, y1 is minus 1 minus root y is 4 dividing by 2 times root x is 4 dividing by here x is 4. So this 1. So here we can cancel root 4. So here minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is there. So here if we multiply we get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 dividing by 4. So here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 dividing by 4 is nothing but y2. So we consider this as equation number 3. So here we have y1 is minus 1 in equation number 2 and y2 equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 3. So here radius of curvature 1 plus y1 square power 3 by 2 dividing by y2. So here y1 is nothing but minus 1 square power 3 by 2 dividing by y2 is nothing but 1 by 4. So here 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 2 power 3 by 2, and here we can reciprocal this 1 by 4, we get 4. So here 2 power 3 by 2 we can write it as 2 into root 2 into 4 equal to 8 into root 2. So radius of curvature for the curve root x plus root y equal to 4, and making an angle 45 degree is nothing but 8 into root 2.